hi to YouTube, fucker.
Hello. It's me again.
This is the Ginebra. They're promoting their new brandy. Is it new brandy or?
Yes, sir.
No, it's been around a long time. Primera Light Brandy. What's the stuff I bought?
This one, sir. The Primera one. Face skin.
Primera-
Skin, sir.
Primera One.
Primera Light.
Primera Light.
This one, sir.
That's what I. Oh, but
This
you
is
mixed it.
yes.
Oh, okay, so they gave me a tumbler and they mixed it with what, like a juice or something?
Yes. Grape juice.
Grape juice. Okay, it was pretty good.
Would you like
So-
try again, sir?
No, I got a ride. These are the Primera girls. They're working very hard. There's the bartender back there. This is bodyguard and photographer. And we're hanging out. What's the name of the show? What's the event? Motor Meet.
The Ninja Club.
Ninja Club, sponsored by Ninja Club. Yeah, fourth anniversary ride, I think, of Ninja Club. And it's almost over, Sunday night. And the raffle's gonna start soon, so we're gonna hang out and see if we can find Okay, girls, see you later.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think these are all the Ninja Club bikes here. Bunch of ninjas. That's pretty cool. So these are all the Ninja boys here. Ninja Club riders. They're all gathered.
Sa mga big bikes, punta lamang po sa Wiltec, Buendia at sa iba pang mga branches. So nandito ang manager ng Wiltec Buendia na si Ma'am MJ Santiago. I'm very supportive, my best friend MJ. Nagapagmana ni Boss Rosco.
Good evening po. In behalf of Weltec Motor Sales Corporation and Kawasaki, thank you so much po sa suporta nyo na every year po kayong sumusuporta talaga sa amin. Kaya ang balik po namin is isang brewski po. Sana po, huwag nyo lang isa-isa yung brew. Baka nawalan, mayroong isang gulong.
And this time, bubunutin na natin ang ating major prize. Oo, pinakabahan na kayo. Ano kaya?
Okay, teka muna. Ito yung dapat na mananalo. Tingnan natin kung dito. Club muna, club.
Club muna. And
Jason.
sino pa dito kakagito? Sino pa? Si Sir.
Manuel. Mayon.
Jude. Bien. Elm.
Jeff.
Jeff. Yung, ano ba, ano nilagay niyo na pangalan ko?
Yen.
Bien Benido? Ano ba? Ano po inilagay mo doon? Wala bang stab? Ay, hindi ko yun. Ba't ang hugot? Freddy Aguilar, ano po?